Hey guys, so my opinion on FSD Pharma, um, pretty good. You want to know why? Auxly announces strategic investment in FSD Pharma. Interesting note, the CEO of Auxly is actually Chuck Rifici, and I think that they could become part of Canopy River's portfolio. That's my prediction. Um, Huge was a really good buy at any point, but this deal kind of makes it a little more interesting in my opinion because Auxly CEO is Chuck Rifici. If you don't know who he is, just Google him. And the fact that he's doing a strategic investment in FSD Pharma, I don't know exactly what it is. I'm just gonna click on it for a second here. But if it's in the millions, oh yeah, they're gonna fund FSD or developing 620,000 square foot facility. Okay. And Auxly retains a 49.9% stream of all cannabis and cannabis-derived products produced at the facility under partnership. So they're partnering. So FSD Pharma is partnering with Auxly. Big deal. This is a big deal. Wow. Man, I wish I bought some FSD Pharma. Nobody knew, right? Well, if anyone doesn't know what FSD Pharma Inc. is, it's ticker symbol huge, .CNX. It's trading at 89 cents Canadian. I'm gonna check Auxly. Auxly. And Auxly is trading at $1.19. So, people who like penny stocks, I think that if you want to play around with a little bit of Auxly and FSD Pharma, it's kind of okay. But like, I wouldn't put all my eggs in Auxly or in FSD Pharma, just because to me it's like a startup, and then it could just end up becoming part of Canopy Rivers afterwards anyways, because Chuck Rifici is leading Auxly. So this partnership should mean something. The news is right there on the... I use TMX Money to get news, and if not, I just use Yahoo Finance. And they purchased FSD at a price of $1 per share, and they're trading at so they're saying that they're worth more. Very interesting. They're gonna try and build... Well, it's gonna take time, you know. I don't think things happen overnight. But it's definitely I'm looking. It's very interesting because it could become part of Canopy Rivers anyways. So since I have Canopy Rivers, I don't really care. I kind of trust Canopy Rivers as an ETF more than buying huge individually or buying Auxly individually at this point. But the possibility of them getting included in Rivers in the future, to me, is kind of like, well, I don't think that Huge and Auxly will be the only ones to go in Rivers, but there are going to be a lot of companies that will afterwards that are not IPO'd yet. So, like, Relentless Resources supposed to becoming craft growers, and that could also become part of Canopy Rivers, because they said they have some sort of craft grower program or something. It kind of matches with the name, but it doesn't really mean that it's the same one. So there's gonna be like an interesting, because there's so many small players, and Rivers is gonna pick the best of the lot. I think I trust Canopy's judgment since they have all the experience. That's why I chose the Rivers as kind of like a little play, because FSD Pharma and like Auxly, anything can happen. But this partnership is probably the biggest news I've seen about both the companies, besides Chuck Rifici being the CEO of Auxly. So that's my opinion on Auxly and FSD Pharma.